Hey friends and family, this message is for y'all. So yesterday, my criminal case for assault on a peace officer with bodily injury was dismissed for insufficient evidence. I knew this was going to happen because I knew I didn't assault anybody. I'd like to talk a little bit about it now that this case is over. Some of y'all don't know the background information, but on October 27th, I filed a motion to recuse 309th Court Linda Dunson. In that motion to recuse, there were 2 bullet points that I stated that we had issues with the bailiffs being overly aggressive with not just myself, but the court observers. In these instances, we had all taken photos. 10 or 12 of us had all taken photos outside the 309th Court. We've brought this issue with the bailiffs up to the 309th Court, Linda Dunson. With that being said, that was filed October 27th, 2023. November 14th, I was arrested for assault on a bailiff for simply tapping him on his shoulder, asking for his supervisor because, again, he had put his hands on myself and my mother while pushing us out of the courtroom. Highly unacceptable. He violated the law. He violated his policies and procedures set by the Harris County Sheriff's Department. He should be held to a higher standard. Was it retaliation? I don't know. I can't really tell you what he was thinking, but it sure does look like it. October 27th, I filed that motion to recuse. And then a little over 2 weeks later, I'm arrested. So they sent me to trial in Orange. They were going to sign bench warrants for me to come from the Harris County Jail for the assault on the sheriff's deputy bailiff. And they made me stand trial in Orange in shackles. I was then ultimately ruled against. They gave sole custody. Carolyn Robertson, the attorney, stated, is this the type of behavior Mr. Saldana has exhibit towards you, just like he has exhibit towards the Harris County Sheriff Bailiff? And of course, Ms. Pena said yes. So my due process was totally violated. Totally violated. They used that form of retaliation against me in my court hearing. Again, October 27th, I filed the recusal. I told them they did not have jurisdiction to hold that proceeding, that trial, due to no notice and it being on the recusal jurisdiction of the administrative judge. They still went ahead and had the trial. Even though I objected to it in open court, I told them there was a bunch of court watchers, they still proceeded to hold me to that trial. 60 days later, December 27th, I got the order denying recusal. So between 10/27 and 12/27, that recusal was in the hands of the in the jurisdiction of the administrative court. So therefore, they didn't have jurisdiction to hold my trial, and it was just a complete waste of time. So that's my update, clear and concise update in 4 minutes. And I hope you are able to follow more, because I'm going to start exposing all of these issues. There's no reason why parents that are trying to be in their child's lives are treated this way. We're treated with forms of aggression. We're treated with threat of arrest. We are being arrested just trying to be parents. This is a story from the 309th District Court in Harris County. Judge Linda Dunson.